Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video today. It's just me and the wife and kids going out to past Fox, Alaska towards central Alaska. Alaska Fish and Game has a bunch of little stock trout ponds out here. So trying to hit them. Join us, stick around, like, subscribe, whatever you want to do. Have a good one.
Cruising down the highway, windows down low. Sunset paints the sky in a fiery glow. Mountains rise up, touching clouds above. Valleys below, filled with whispers of love. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. City streets pulse with energy so bright. Neon signs flashing in the depths of night. Skyscrapers stand tall, reaching for the sky. As we pass by, with dreams flying high. No maps, no plans, just an open road. Wherever it leads, we'll happily go. Each sight, each sound, a memory to keep. In this adventure, dreams run deep. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned.
No fish biting today, huh, Emma?
What?
No fish biting today?
No.
Don't know where they all went.
I think they're eating. What's a fishy?
What do fish eat? Fish eat other fish.
I think they eat seaweed.
Yeah, mermaids eat seaweed. Alright. Well, it looks like they're not biting here today.
Cruising down the highway, windows down low. Sunset paints the sky in a fiery glow. Mountains rise up, touching clouds above. Valleys below, filled with whispers of love. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. City streets pulse with energy so bright. Neon signs flashing in the depths of night. Skyscrapers stand tall, reaching for the sky. As we pass by, with dreams flying high. No maps, no plans, just an open road. Wherever it leads, we'll happily go. Each sight, each sound, a memory to keep. In this adventure, dreams run deep. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living.
Trying to catch some lake trout today. We'll see how it goes.
Well, can we go fishing some other time too?
Yeah, watch the camera.
I'm sorry, I'm gonna have to pay.
What? kind of deep. Show you guys what we're using for lake trout today. Got a little gold spoon. Pretty small one. Lake trout here. They're stocked by the Fish and Game, so they're not super big, but they're fun to catch. Alright guys, figured I'd take you with us. Still out here trying to get some lake trout. Great little area out here near Fox. Got the lake right back there. But got the kids out here having a good time. Just walking through the woods trying to find a good spot. It's been raining a lot the past couple days, so some of the lakes are a little high, but still trying to get it done. Peace.
I see a house.
Lake house.
There's water. Oh, water. Try to not go any farther. Well, I'm going as far as I'm okay, Daddy. That's as far as we can do it. I think I caught something like. She caught my big. Yeah. Emma, why do you keep getting me wet? Daddy, I'm using a lift because I think fishes like them. Do they? Why? But I promised them. But there's not. Well, my fin is proof also.
I know, that's because you guys are playing.
Well, does people come after I leave? Does your mother follow? Well, this is that. Oh,
first time.
Right. Yeah, if the water's a little lower, it's probably better. It's probably like 3 feet higher than the last time I was here.
Well, that way.
How do you always aim for the moss?
I wasn't trying to. This is the second time I went to one of the floating.
Oh, don't feel bad. I caught one too.
I figured you catch one. You're down there about taking good ones. I was standing down there at the one where the big water puddle's at. But I remember that there's this spot down here, and I was hoping that it would be clear. It technically is, but...
A lot better than down there, that moss.
I'm gonna come over here and for a second. Okay? So I can avoid that.
You gotta come over here because you can't stop aiming for that one spot.
Yes, sir. Now I'm gonna come back over this way, so I'll hit that small one. I got this. I know what I'm doing.
Totally.
See? I avoided it.
Look at your hands.
Now I'm gonna try to go directly right here.
Yep.
How much want to down this so quick? Hold the boat. Go catch something. I got stuck. Oh, yeah, no video. Alright, good.
Oh, really? Stop. Emma, I found a piece of
Yeah, you guys can play down there.
Get down there.
Yay.
Be careful.
Maybe careful,
I
lad.
at least need one fish.
What?
I said I at least need one fish.
I don't think fishies are biting something.
I know. I only got like one bite the entire time.
And then,
Right?
oh, that was too big.
You crazy.
That,
Girl, you're scaring the fish. Quit, okay?
what? Is that why they're not coming?
Totally, that's why.
What?
What?
But I want to play a different spot because I don't like this spot.
You don't like this spot?
No.
You can go play in the woods over there if you want to.
No,
What do you want to play?
because come with me.
You want those rocks over there?
No, just come with me real quick.
Fire out there.
No, she's not there. Spot.
No, just come with me real quick, Daddy. Because I got something really... And heading out. Something to show you.
Right in it.
Ooh, I literally got something to show you.
Here, I'll show you the bait that I'm trying.
Go this way,
Little
Daddy.
orange scallop.
Daddy, go this way.
Nah, we ain't catching no fish today.
So we're leaving.
Well, just show me where you want to go.
Step up there. And there's something white.
See? Really nice area. Kids are playing today.
Daddy, come here. Little.
Literally.
Look.
Talking about those rocks?
No, come here.
I know, come over here. We'll check it out.
Can we climb the top of that?
The rocks?
Yeah. Look.
Yeah, go ahead.
Little bit down there.
If you want to.
Joe, look. A spaceship. And then can we rest right there in that little seat?
Sure.
In this little space where they're hopping down from?
Yep.
Like that little space where Emma's at? Can we rest there?
Yeah.
Because I can stay with you guys.
You got one pretty far up there, huh?
Yeah. Emma, we can rest here.
Kids, man, they're crazy. All they see is a little rock. It's like, oh, we gotta climb that.
I got it.
You know what I'm saying? You're such a ding dong. But no fish today, so guess we'll try again tomorrow.
Cruising down the highway, windows down low. Sunset paints the sky in a fiery glow. Mountains rise up, touching clouds above. Valleys below, filled with whispers of love. On this road, every seed's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. City streets pulse with energy so bright. Neon signs flashing in the depths of night.